make sure you stand till the end. If you don't do one thing right when replacing water pump, you can say bye-bye to your engine and you may spend thousands of dollars to fix it. Hey guys, welcome back. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having Mercedes C-Class guys. I'm talking about C250 C180 or C200 guys with a CGI engine, and if you need to find where the water pump is located and what needs to be done every time you replace water pump, stay with us. We'll cover that in this video today. We want to give you that advice because otherwise you can completely destroy, overheat your engine, and practically you need the engine rebuilt or replaced. So let's explain all about that today. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We constantly guys get new cars, we take them apart, engines, transmission, bodywork. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your Mercedes or car at a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can guys save a ton of money. Let's start on it now. So where is the water pump on that Mercedes guys? C180, C200 and C250 use that CGI engine. We'll be demonstrating on that one. As you can see, we have the serpentine belt replaced. By the way guys, this car has only 65,000 miles, okay, and the serpentine belt, okay, started failing. I want to show you, check out, okay, it's already cracked in a few places. We have a special video that explains how often to replace serpentine belt on auto repair guys. Check it out, it will teach you all about that. Now, we'll guys have complete video about water pump replacement. Today just a quick video about the water pump replacement procedure, where it's located and what needs to be done when you after you replace the water pump. First, you need to drain the coolant. We have a special video that explains how to drain coolant. So, you need to do that when the engine is completely cold. After draining the coolant, you need to remove the serpentine belt. And when you remove the serpentine belt, that pulley right here guys, next to the alternator, okay, that thing right here, that's your water pump. When working next to it guys, always disconnect the car battery, because that electric radiator fan can turn on anytime and it can cut your hands or fingers off. And on these new cars, it's very important which battery terminal you disconnect and reconnect first. If you do it the wrong way, you can practically guys, okay, destroy modules, computers that cost thousands of dollars. We have done that. We burned the airbag module that cost $2,000 on Mercedes C-Class in the past. So we have a special video that explains which battery terminal to disconnect first. Except the mechanical pump, you have an electric circulation pump as well right here guys. So this is another pump right there. And when you replace the pump, it's super important to only use Mercedes approved coolant. And if you want to see where you can get some from guys, okay, we'll put the link in the description of the video below at a good price. And always bleed the cooling system. If you don't bleed the cooling system, you can guys actually overheat the car to the point, okay, that you destroy your engine. So check out the procedure. We have procedure how to bleed cooling system on Mercedes. It will be posted on our channel very soon. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.